Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. Here in this video we are going to present you the Docker and its usage. So let us begin. Basically, Docker has introduced the idea of containerization where it allows us to create software and distribute it differently. Application running in consistently in an environment which is provided by the container, which contains all the system library and the code that required to operate. Benefits of using Docker: consistency. Docker ensures that application run consistently across different environments, reducing the concept of it works only on my machine. Isolation. Containers are isolated from each other and the host system, preventing the conflicts between application and their dependency libraries. Portability. Containers can run on any system that supports Docker, making it easy to move applications between deployment and testing and production environment. Resource efficiency. Container shares the host system's operating system kernel, resulting less overhead compared to the traditional virtual machines. Rapid development. Dockers allow us to deploy applications quickly and efficiently, reducing the time it takes to get the development to production. Further, we will see the use cases which allows us to see where the Dockers are getting used. We can have different development environments where local machine is going to be used as Docker container and streamlining the process of development. CI/CD pipelines, we can create code builds and triggers the automation through Dockers. Microservice architecture, Docker is ideal building and managing in microservices as it required by customer, then we can run it. Scaling and load balancing, where the containers can easily be scaled up or scaled down depending on the loads on the images. Further, we will explore few different concepts that are basics to Docker. Images. A Docker image is a standalone executable file that includes code, runtime, system libraries, and dependency necessary to run each piece of software. The created image is having set of instruction that are there, which is known as Docker file, which can be describe how the image is going to be created. Container. Instance of Docker images are container. So whenever when a new image is getting created, it is an instance and it gets created as a container. Application can execute in isolation from the host system and other container and in their provided runtime environment. So this is the main reason where the conflicts doesn't arise between host system and the container application. We'll move ahead with the Docker Hub. Docker Hub is a cloud-based repository where Docker images can be stored, shared, and distributed. This is like multiple people working on one image and can have access to that image, and they can differently do some changes on each of the images. A Docker file, which has been previously referenced in the images, a script that is used with the set of instruction for creating a Docker image. So this is the main file where we write some codes that is actually going to be executed in Docker container for creating a Docker image. Anyone with the Docker file may reproduce the exact same image and with the same dependency setup, enabling reproducible build. Finally, we are moving ahead with the Docker engine, which is the core component of Docker that manages containers and its images. It includes the Docker daemon, which runs as a background service and manages the container image and network and even storage. We can access them by command line tool of any operating system. So to summarize everything, whatever we have seen till now, Docker is a application which uses containerization for all package applications and their dependency to execute in an isolated environment. It provides us with the benefits of consistency, portability, efficiency, and scalability, which is becoming a modern popular choice for software development and deployment workflows. Hope you like our video. In our next video, we are going to demonstrate how to run Docker basic commands. Thank you for watching with us. Do like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.